Even though the price of Shiba Inu coin is down just a little bit today, the burns are up and everybody remains excited. Guys, we're going to be talking a little bit about what's happening with Shiba Inu coin in this video, and then we're going to jump into one of what I think could be the greatest pre-sales that we are going to see in a long time. Dogeverse. Not only does it take advantage of the crazy meme coin mentality and combine this Shiba Inu coin dog here, but it combines it with actual real-world utility. It is a multi-chain bridge that allows you to jump from blockchain to blockchain. Let's discuss what's happening in the crypto world, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and if you're brand new to the channel, thank you guys very much for being here. Let me know down in the comments below where you're from, what you guys are interested in seeing, and so on. But we're going to talk about Shiba Inu coin in this video because we have a 5,803% increase in the amount of burns. That's a wild increase. Now, the numbers aren't necessarily out of this world, right? It's 26.4 million Shiba Inu coin that have been burned. So let's talk about the details here. A tremendous amount of SHIB burns have been scorched by the community as SHIB's price begins to recover. It goes on to say that the popular meme coin explorer SHIB burn has spread the word about a massive increase in the burn rate of Shiba Inu coin, the second largest meme cryptocurrency by market capitalization value. Now, in the meantime, the SHIB price has demonstrated a significant increase overnight, which grew by about 6% earlier today. Now, unfortunately, at the time that I am recording this video, Shiba Inu coin is just down in price slightly. It is looking at roughly a 4% decline on the day today to bring the price of Shiba Inu coin back down in to that bull flag pattern or that descending wedge or that symmetrical triangle, whatever you guys are trying to call it out there. The price is still overall bullish though, because a bull flag pennant typically means, doesn't have to, but typically means that on the consolidation, Shiba Inu coin should break back out to the upside. Like I say, does not have to. So let's take a look at some more details here before we jump into what could be an astronomical pre-sale. It says SHIB burns skyrocket by thousands of percent. SHIB burn rate within the last 24 hours, it's worth watching metric has soared by more than 5,675% since yesterday morning. This signifies the destruction of 26,430 Shiba Inu coin in total. The largest single burn here constituted 24,176,000 Shiba Inu coin. It says with a second burn, doing 1 million Shiba Inu coin. Now in fiat, that's approximately $569. Thus the percentage increase in the burn rate has comprised 5,803%. Increase in the burn rate metric is close enough to this one was observed earlier this week on Monday with 81 million Shiba Inu coin being burned. So guys, we actually have a lot of burns happening in the Shiba Inu coin's crypto space right now, and those burns are going to increase meme coin sentiment. And if meme coins begin to take off, yes, Shiba Inu coin can double, triple, quadruple in price, maybe at best, right? If we're starting to talk about 80 to 90 billion dollars in valuation, Shiba Inu coin is going to be very hard pressed to find additional money. But if you're looking at these new meme coins, if you're looking at seeing some crazy gains, you've got to go with lower market cap. Yes, they are a higher risk, but they could absolutely be a higher reward. Now, Dogeverse combines not only the best of the meme coin world, but it also combines the best of the utility world as well. If you do find yourself interested in buying, please make sure to use the official affiliate link that's in the description below. There are a lot of scam websites out here. I mean, this one here's a scam. This is a scam Twitter. Actually, that might be the right Twitter account there. But, you know, you can scroll down. This is another scam. The Dogeverse.com, like THA. No, so there are so many scams out there. Don't fall for them. Use the official affiliate link in the description below so that you guys pull up the correct website. And when you do, and you decide to jump in with 62 Ethereum, I'll tell you why in a second here. You're going to grab 578 million Dogeverse. But it doesn't stop there, guys. You can buy with Ethereum, you can buy with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. Because this is buyable and claimable on these 6 blockchains. These are the 6 most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin. So not only can you buy it, you can claim it on these blockchains. And you're going to have multi-bridge utility. You're going to seamlessly be able to move from any of those blockchains. Guys, if you haven't seen a bridge in action before, here's one of them. This is D-Bridge. You can move from Ethereum over to Matic. Or if you'd rather have BNB, you can move your Ethereum to BNB. If you don't like BNB, you want Solana, move to Solana. A bridge allows you not just the ability to swap, but it also allows you the ability to jump from blockchain to blockchain. And that is what Dogeverse is setting up to do. Guys, that is incredible utility for what's being called a meme coin to have. Now, on top of that, if you don't feel like trading, you can also stake your Dogeverse for a current 68% annualized passive income. Of course, that reward rate is dynamic. So if the amount of staked Dogeverse goes up, the amount of this reward rate is going to go down. You have to split your pie with more and more people. But 62.3 Ethereum. Why did I say that number? Guys, a whale came out and grabbed a massive 62.3 Ethereum. We're over $191,000 worth of Dogeverse in a single transaction. People are buying in. People are very, very excited about what Dogeverse can do. Now, yes, I have bought into Dogeverse. I myself am excited about what Dogeverse can do, not just because of its meme coin status, but because of its utility as well. But here's what I know. I've been in the cryptocurrency market for what I would consider a long time. I have seen bull markets come. I have seen bear markets come. I have lived through them. And here's what you know during a bull market. Meme coins rip higher. People don't like it, right? They always want the utility tokens. They always want what makes sense to move higher the most. But meme coins rip higher. And if Shiba Inu coin, if Dogecoin, if Bonk and Floki and Pepe and all of these meme coins are ripping into the billions and tens of billions of dollars in valuation, it is going to ignite a rally in all of these little brand new meme coins. And if that happens, how high could Dogeverse go? Could you see a 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x increase on your money? I don't know how high the market's going to take it. But what I do know is previous patterns repeat themselves. I am here, and I am waiting for Dogeverse to rip. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.